Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today I'm going to show everyone how to weld aluminum, or better yet, braze. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. And the way we're going to make this possible today is by using these special aluminum brazing and welding rods. Here's a better look at our rod. Looks like a typical brazing rod, except how brazing rods are usually flat, this is rounded. To bond aluminum is a very simple process, and we're going to begin by taking our aluminum and prepping it. And the way we're going to do that is going to take some sandpaper and sand down the area where we want to actually weld or braze our connection. Sandpaper will do just fine. If you're an extremist, you can take a file and file down a channel. Sandpaper will do just fine. So I'm just going to begin by prepping my aluminum. After I sanded down the pipe, I took a pair of vice grips and created my design. I'm going to use these to hold it in place while I braze my connections. We are now ready to begin heating up the pipe, and these rods have a working temperature of 720 to 750 degrees. So that is our melting point. Propane or MAP gas will do, but today I'm going to be using the MAP gas as it is known to burn hotter and faster. Everything is set up and ready to braze, and the idea here is to heat up our aluminum to 750 degrees. Remember, we're going to put our heat towards the aluminum and not the rod itself. Once our aluminum is 750 degrees, we're going to take our rod and we're going to gently and consistently go across the aluminum, and we should create our bond. Once we heated up our aluminum and we're not quite sure what the temperature is, we could just take our rod and gently go across and see if it's ready to melt our rod. Alright everyone, this is a very thin piece of aluminum. Let's heat it up, and here goes nothing. If anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.